Good day. My name is Jalen Flores, 45 years old from Philippines. I am married but separated. I have two children. My daughter is 19 years old and my son is 12 years old. I have an experience working in Hong Kong for the total of 7 years. 3 years to my first employer, serving 3 people, consist of 2 adults and 1 kid. And 4 years to my second employer, serving 3 people, consist of 2 adults and 1 elderly woman. My main responsibilities working as a domestic helper in Hong Kong is to take care of kid and elderly. It is also my duties to do all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, marketing, and do the laundry. My hobbies are cooking and gardening. I love animals, so I am willing to take care of pets. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, fast learner, and you can trust me to do my job independently. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. I promise to do my job with all my best and with all my heart to serve your family. Please hire me and choose me to be part of your family as your helper. Thank you and God bless.